Okay, hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about the current week. It's week 22, and this week you should learn about web security. Nowadays it's very important thing because more often and often applications prefer to use any type of security. It might be security of your data or kind of restriction for users. It means that you should be authorized or you should have some set of access to be able to use the application or web page. And the next theme is even loop and animation. I guess you had touch with this theme within this course, but we have a separate model for this because it's a very popular theme on interview. I can even imagine an interview where you will not get the question from this theme. That's why you should, I would recommend you to spend enough time learning this theme. And in case you don't understand something, please try to ask your mentor to help you to understand this theme. Or just write in the Discord and we will try to help you. And related to assignments, this week you will proceed implementation the async race and pay attention that next week will be the final week to complete this task. But Core.js promises should be completed this week. So I think that's all from my side and related to information for current week. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask or write in the chat. Seems no questions. Okay, if there are no any questions, I wish you a good week and thank you for attending this meeting. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
See you.